Hello everyone, I hope all of you fine and doing well. My name is Amanullah and I'm going to record you MS Office for you people, and it will be complete MS Office. In this MS Office program we are going to teach you MS Word, Excel, Access in PowerPoint plus project. So stay with us, and this videos will be available in the Multi Skills Learn Academy. This is our channel. Try to subscribe our channel and learn something. Thank you.
Okay, welcome back, and in the name of Allah we are going to start our next section, next topic, next lecture. If you are going to start our videos, so we will be trying to see continuously, because one video is connect with the second one. We are going to start, if you remember, we complete already home menu, and we are going to start insert menu, right? People call it insert tab. The first one is cover page. What does cover page means? Like for example, someone write here one of the book, like for example I'm going to write here one of the book, or for example articles, there is different articles. So I'm going to make them a cover page, the book which I want to make. So I give them colors, for example the front color which is ready-made available in here. So which one you want? Like for example I choose this one. So if any document title you want to give them, like for example history of computer, right? Document title computer, right? So it means this page is a ready-made page for a cover page, so you can easily take from here. So any cover page if you want, so you can choose from here. More online means, like for example I need online more, there is more template available. So if you connect with the internet, so there will be more templates available in here. Remove means if you want to remove this one, so you can easily remove. Save means when I select Control A, then you want to save with yourself in the future, I want to use this one, then you can save from here. So the next one, what is the difference between blank page and page break? Equal range, which I'm going to write equal range, and I'm going to give them, like for example different color, or the color should be in the black form, like for example. Okay, the first one, like as we mentioned, blank page. So what does it mean, sir? I need a blank page, so click here first, then click on the blank page. So blank page will create a white page in the top. So whatever you want, like for example I'm standing here, I need a white page in the top, so click here. So directly they will create a white page in the top. The next one, what does page break means? Break means to break something. Like for example I need to break here, click here on the break, so half of the text will be up and half of the text will be down. The next one is table. What does table means? Table we are using for the different organizations. Like for example I'm coming here and there is a different type, like for example we have here table. In the table I'm going to mention name, for example father name, and we have program, then for example fee, then starting date, then ending date. For example we have a time, we have income, we have expense, for example, and next one means overtime. So this one is a kind of table. If you want to increase, decrease this, click on the tab button, so you can increase this one from here. So if someone say I want to make my own table, then click on the insert menu, and here is insert. How many column row do we have? For example 20 columns I need. If you want to write here, for example I want to write 8 column and 8 row I'm going to take. Like for example I need 8 column in 8 row, then click on the OK. Automatically if you want to count them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this one is 8 column in 8 row. So any kind of table if you want to need by your own self, then click on the insert. Draw table means I'm going to draw a table by your own self. Like for example they will give you a pencil if you want to draw any table, so you can easily draw from here. The next one, if I'm coming to insert menu, we have in here, like for example convert, it's not working right now. If I'm click on the Excel separate sheet, I'm going to take some data from Excel program like I wrote here, and then click on the white page, again click on this one. I'm going to convert this data to the Word program. So I collect from Excel, but going to convert to the Word program, so you can easily convert. The next one is, if I'm coming to insert menu, we have quick table. What does quick table mean, sir? Like there is a different type of calendars available, ready-made calendars people call them. So you can take it and you can change it. Like for example, I choose this one. So this one is a kind of best design, and you can change, like for example, if you want to change days or month or year, if you want to change, you can change it. The next one, if I come to insert menu, I have for example picture, like offline picture. If you want, so click on here. There is some option, like in my device I have in my computer some pictures, so whatever you want. I don't have any picture yet, so if you have any picture on desktop or other things, so you can easily choose from where I choose. From here I can choose, right? Stock image, if you want to take right now offline don't take from here, because we have option for that. If you want offline picture, like internet is not available, then if you have online picture like in Gmail, Hotmail, you can choose from here. Shape is used for different purpose, like for advertisement. Like the next one we have, like for example for protection, like for a CV, resume, if you want to write something, so try to draw this one, so we can easily write it here. And the next one, like for example, I'm going to use for the protection. If you remember, like here is also protection option, like no smoking, like in here in some people write on the shop, like no smoking, these points. So we are using from shape. In the shape there is a different option by your opinion, if you want to use in everywhere, so you can use by your own opinion. The next one is icon. So this one is updated here, clear. In 2013 this one option is not available. So if you have any icons, means like for example any image, pixels, symbols, if you have on your own computer, so you can easily open. What is 3D? So 3D and 3D Max we have in AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is not available in here. So when we are going to start AutoCAD 3D Max, so we are using for a map. So I will be one day take a class, but that will be individual video. For more video you can subscribe my channel, I will be mentioning here the link. And the next one is smart art, means like we are using for advertisement. How, for example, I'm going to start my new classes, so there is a different type of advertisement is mentioned. So I'm going to start, like for example, I'm going to mention MS Office, for example, which classes include in MS Office. One Word, for example. The second one is for example Excel, and the next one is for example Access, and then we have the last one, PowerPoint, short form, right? Clear? And there is a different 3D styles available if you want to give them color, so color is also available. So this one is a kind of advertisement we put on the walls, and for social media, if you want to make them any kind of advertisement, so you can easily make from here, from the smart art. The next topic is chart. Chart is also using in engineering program, and also we are using this one like for marks, who is taking up marks in low, for example higher marks, so you can easily take. So if you want to take them, for example, I'm going to take this one, this design, then click OK. Excel program will be also open in here. Like how, for example, I'm going to write Ali and Wali, then Ahmad, then name, for example, and I'm going to give them marks, like which marks you want to mention, so you should mention here whatever. I mentioned some names, right? If you want to mention subject over there, so you can mention the subject. I give them, for example, some marks. Okay. Look at here. If you want to mention subject in here, you can mention as you wish, right? So I mentioned some name, and there is some design. Then cross this one. Clear? That will be added in here. If you want to give them any design, so you can give them any design, right? So this is a kind of table that we are using mostly using in engineering. If you want to choose like in other angle, like there is a different type is available, right? This one is a chart, right? If somebody is taking highest marks, so it means that will be increased, the line should be increased. The next one is screenshot. Is there any important data? So I'm going to take screenshot, so you can easily take a screenshot. Click on this one. So when it will be blurred, so you can select, like for example, I'm going to take screenshot from here, so automatically that will be it. The shortcut keys for this one is screen print is available on your keyboard, so you can search about, click one time, then you can paste it, right? That was the shortcut keys. Is simple from here. So these four is Wikipedia, some site is available, like for example this for if you want to go into dictionary, download any dictionary, like any files if you want to download. Wikipedia is a very famous website. As if you investigate in the Google, I'm going to take history of computers, so you can take it. So from these three you can take ideas, some information about anything else. So first connect internet, then you can take from here. Online videos means like I'm going to check for means what is update in 2016. I'm going to investigate about this one, so you can easily check from here. The next one is link. What does link means? People call them hyperlink, right? Hyperlink. In some of MS Office 2007-13 they mention hyperlink. Like for example, I'm going to write one of the name Ali's CV. So he submit their own CV in the USB in Flash, we call them. I'm going to attach their file with Ali. Click on the link and select, for example, Tarek, right? I just click here. So the link which I created after a long time, the head of department, he called me and tell me, like for example, open this one. I'm going to check, click control button, press, then one click in here, then click on the OK, next or OK. Automatically then click on the next. It will take a little bit time. Click control button, press, double click, right? Control button, press, then double click, yes. So the file which I attach automatically, that will be open. So it means from link we can link our file with any name, right? So it was today's topic. Inshallah tomorrow we are going to start from here up to end, and have a good day and have a good time for you. You will be try your best. I have one message for you people, because we're hard working for you people, and we need some subscribe. If you people motivate us, so we can work for you people, we will make a best video, some techniques video. So you'll be trying to subscribe our channel. Tomorrow inshallah I will be mentioned here, page in Facebook, each and everything I will be mentioned on the desktop, so you can easily contact with us. Have a good day.